Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for October 11th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Feast of Tongues by Bill Murphy. This is a palindrome and consecutive pairs puzzle. So we have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3x3 box. Additionally, we have some gray lines in the grid, and the digits on these lines must read the same from either direction. So these two are going to be the same, these are the same, these are the same. White dots mean the digits in the cells connected by the white dot are consecutive, so they have a difference of 1. And those are the rules. And we're actually going to start with some of these white dots. This 2 can go next to 1 or 3, but there's a 3 here, so that's a 1. And by the palindrome, that means that's a 1. 3 can go next to 2 or 4, but there's a 4 down here, so this is 2, which means this is 2. 4 can go next to 3 or 5, so these are 3 because of that 5. 5 can go next to 4 or 6, and that is not resolved yet. 7 can go next to 6 or 8, that's going to have to be a 6 because of the 8 here, and that's going to resolve our 4. And this is 6. 8 can go next to 7 or 9. This actually is resolved. It's just not quite as obvious. Because these two must be the same, they can't be 9 because of the 9 down here. So these are 7. 9 can only go next to 8. 4 can go next to 3 or 5. And this can't be 3 because of this 3, so this is 5. Alright, that is all the white dots. So now, where do we want to go? Not actually sure. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to pencil mark them. These are not 5. These are not 3 or 4. This is not 4 or 1. This is not 1. This is not 2. And now this is the same as this, but there's a 1 and a 3 here. So this is our 4. Alright, in this box, these are 3, 6, 7, 9. This can't be 3, can't be 6 because of the 6, so this is 7 or 9. These can't be 6 or 7, so this is a 3-9 pair, which makes this 7. Makes that 6. Alright, this box, we need 5, 6, 8, 9. This can't be 6 or 8. This is a 5-9 pair. These can't be 8 or 9 because of these. So the 5-6 pair resolves this, and that gives us an 8 there. Alright, finally this box, we need a 5. There's a 5 here, ruling 5 out of these cells. This can't be 1 or 2 because of this. So this is a 1-2 pair. And that doesn't resolve this. Oh, actually, these are not the same. These are the same. So this does have to be 2, 3, 1, and 5. That's a 1. All right, and I think that is everything we can do. These two cells are on the center of their lines, and so we can't resolve them from the palindrome. We're just going to have to get them with regular Sudoku. So this column needs 3, 6, and 9. This is a 3 because of these. This is a 6-9 pair. Here we need 2, 6, and 9. That's not a 2. Wasn't quite as useful as I'd hoped. Where does 3 go in this column? Can't go in any of these cells, so it goes here. That's going to give us 6 there. These are now 1, 8, and 9. Alright, we need 1, 5, 6, 7 here, so this is 1 or 6. This is 1, 5, or 7. This is 1, 5, or 7. Feel like I'm probably missing something pretty obvious at this point. not seeing it yet. So let's look at this column. These are 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not 6 or 9. This is not 7 or 8 or 2. This is not 2 or 7. That's still not what we're looking for. Oh, the 6 here. It is what we're looking for. So that's 2 and 9. That 9 looks over here for 6. Also, we have 2, so that's a 9. That's a 9. That's an 8. That gives us 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Now we're going. So 3 and 7 here. These are 1 and 5, which are resolved. From that 5, the 1 resolves 6, 5. This is now 1 and 7. This is a 9. This is a 6. These are 2 and 4. These are 1 and 3. 2 and 8. 4 and 5. And now just the central box to do. So we could do this several different ways. We could look at individual digits and see where they go. So 9 must go in this cell, for example. We can also look at rows and columns. We need a 3 and a 6 here, and those are resolved by these. These are 2, 5, 7, 5, 2. And yeah, you can resolve the central box either way, just whichever you find easiest and quickest. That's the solution. Yeah, I liked the variety in this one. The white dots, there were some similar deductions, but I noticed as we went around here, like this was only resolved by looking at this box, and this was only resolved by looking at this column. Versus, say, this one that we started with that was just immediately resolved. So, interesting construction, very nice, and let us know how you did in the comments. I will see you next time.